Leader changes the course of a nation. When leadership turns into vision and vision transforms into action, a new destiny begins to unfold. India, the land of timeless wisdom, youthful energy, and infinite potential, today stands tall on the global stage. And the man leading the magnificent transformation is none other than our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, a statesman, a visionary, and a true son of the soil. Under his inspiring leadership, India has emerged as a voice of hope and confidence across the world. From the United Nations to the G20 summit, from global diplomacy to people's participation, Prime Minister Modi has given India a new identity, an identity of strength, stability, and self-belief. Under his inspiring leadership, India has emerged as a voice of hope and confidence across the world. From the United Nations and across global diplomacy, people's participation, Prime Minister Modi has given India a new identity. Today, the world doesn't just look at India as a market, as a country. It looks at India as a maker of change, a nation that speaks the language of peace, but acts with the power of progress. The journey of New India is powered by reforms that reach the roots, from Digital India to Skill India, from Make in India to Startup India. Each initiative has strengthened the foundation of our nation. Today, with the Super GST implementation, India moves forward with the vision of one nation, one tax, a vision that simplifies trade, boosts transparency, and simplifies each and every person's dream, empowers every citizen to be part of India's growth story. It's not just a policy, it's a promise of progress. Ladies and gentlemen, Atmanirbhar Bharat and Uttishth Bharat, these are not just the slogans, but this is the hope. In 2020, when the world stood still, India chose to rise. With the call of Atmanirbhar Bharat, Honorable Prime Minister ignited the spirit of self-reliance, innovation, and nation first. This is not just a slogan, it's a mission, it's a hope. A mission where every farmer becomes an entrepreneur, every woman becomes a leader, and every youth becomes a creator of the future. From indigenous manufacturing to defense, from renewable energy to space technology, India is no longer following the world, but we are leading undoubtedly. Today, as nations across the world seek inspiration, they look to India, the land of sages, science, and sustainability. From yoga to artificial intelligence, from spirituality to space exploration, India stands as the Vishwaguru, a teacher to the world, guiding humanity towards balance, innovation, and harmony. At the heart of this transformation stands one man, Honorable Prime Minister, ladies and gentlemen, whose leadership has turned vision into victory and aspirations into achievements. As we salute his journey from a humble background to the highest office on this land, we are reminded of one timeless truth, that when a leader's heart beats for this nation, 1 billion heartbeats are with him. Let us all take this forward for a Uttishth Bharat and Atmanirbhar Bharat, where every India stands and every Indian tall and proud and unstoppable. Together, let us build a nation that not only dreams big, but delivers beyond imagination. ఈ అద్భుతమైన శుభ తరుణాన మన గౌరవ ప్రధానమంత్రి, ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు ప్రత్యేకమైనటువంటి వాహనంలో మరికొద్ది క్షణాల్లో ఈ ప్రాంగణంలోకి రానున్నారు. వారి రాక కోసం ఎదురు చూద్దాం. మన జెండాలతో స్వాగతం పలుకుదాం. జై హో అంటూ మన ఆనందాన్ని మన దేశానికి, మన రాష్ట్రానికి, మన ముఖ్యమంత్రికి, అలాగే మన ప్రధాని గారికి కూడా అందజేద్దాం ఈ శుభ తరుణాన. ప్రత్యేకమైన వాహనం ద్వారా ప్రధాని గారు అలైటింగ్ పాయింట్ ద్వారా అక్కడికి విచ్చేసి ఈ వేదికకి, ప్రధాన వేదికకి ఆ వాహనంలో రాబోతున్నారు. దయచేసి మీ చేతిలో ఉన్న జెండాలని భద్రంగా గుండెల్లో పెట్టుకుని మరి కాపాడాల్సిందిగా ప్రత్యేకంగా మనవి చేస్తున్నాను. మన జెండా, మన గౌరవం, మన ఆత్మాభిమానం